Hey there! Welcome to CPR Savers channel. My name is Celine and today I'll be reviewing and demonstrating how to use the CPR Prompt Training Manikin. This easy-to-assemble manikin features realistic anatomical markings, allowing a learner to apply correct hand placement when performing CPR. Today we're going to go over how to insert the lung bag. So let's start. To install the lung bags, we'll start by turning our CPR Prompt Manikin over. This neck brace right here, we're going to squeeze it and pull it off, and then we'll lift up his head, pull that out. Okay. Alright. Okay. Grab your lung insertion tool and put it through the neck hole, loop it out through the mouth. And you grab your lung bag, rub it between your fingers so it doesn't stick together when you're giving breaths. Okay? Now there's a hole on the bottom of the bag. Grab your lung insertion tool and loop it through. Now pull the bag on through until the mouth guard is covering the mouth area. You're going to take off these adhesive strips on his face and stick it to his chin and upper mouth area. All right. Next, we'll grab his body. This piston right here, you're going to take it out. Grab the head, turn it over, and see these right here? Now, they're going to line up into the slots, but first you're going to pull the lung bag through down here, like so, and align those up. And when you put them through, it's easier to lift his head up. Otherwise, it's kind of difficult to put the head back on. Grab the neck brace. Put it back on the right way. Now the lung bag, make sure it's flat on in there, no kinks, nothing going on. You're going to grab the piston and put it back in there. Alright, now let's check him out. Alright, looks like he's working. Now, to remove the lung bag, do the same thing. Pull that out. Take off his head. You can just pull it on through. To find this product, visit our website at cpr-savers.com and type TMAN1 into the search bar to be brought to the product page, or call up our Excellence customer service team at 1-800-480-1277. Thanks for watching.